This is the BK Mueller 888-574 HC stem kit. Now this is for the new style faucets with the tan handle. So we'll go ahead and get it out of the bag here. A couple important things to notice about this stem is down here on this end you'll have those two metal washers and then that rubber packing right in between them. And then coming down to this end, you'll have that rubber, almost umbrella shaped washer at the bottom of the stem there. And then if you look right around there, you can see that bottom side has holes all the way around. And then up here, this little midsection right here will be hexed. And then right above that you have the two O-rings. So we'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of the stem, starting with a total length. We will get one from end to end. See, that'll measure right at about 15 1/4 inches. And then the stem itself, it's kind of hard to see because of that umbrella shaped washer, but the stem itself will end right there where that piece is soldered on. So we'll measure to that, so right here at the end of that washer. We can see that'll measure right at about 12 1/4 inches. Okay, and then we can also get a couple measurements of that rubber packing at the end of the stem as well. So we will get an outer diameter. That'll measure right at 3/4 of an inch. A total height or thickness right at about 1/4 of an inch. Yeah, so once again, this is the BK Mueller 888-574 HC new style stem assembly.